Hi, this is a EWM session for the outbound scenario. Here we will do that check how we can enhance our warehouse activities performance, and in other sense how we can reduce the execution time for our customer outbound delivery. As a in the minimum time we can pick it, pack it, and do the load to the truck, and then we can depart for the delivery to the customer. What we had done, we have done the integration of ECC system with the transportation management system and the EWM system. We will create a sales order in ECC system. It will distribute to transportation management system. Transportation management will create outbound delivery. Outbound delivery will automatically come from TM to ECC and ECC to EWM. And whatever the activities warehouse we will perform in EWM, and simultaneously it will update to the ECC and TM. So here I am just giving the demo for the ECC to EWM. We will create a sales order and outbound delivery in ERP system, and we will assign this delivery to one of the shipment, and shipment and delivery will distribute automatically to the EWM system. So I'm going to create a sales order. So I can give the route and save it. On the basis of this order, I will create a delivery outbound, which is a customer outbound delivery. We can see it is going to the correct warehouse, and that the route is available. Then we will save it. We can see the status. It has been distributed to the EWM system. We can see the one again, cross check. Okay, so now it has been distributed to the EWM system. It should be available in the EWM. You can log in into the ORDO transaction. So now this is outbound delivery 103 with the corresponding ERP document is now available for the picking, packing, and loading in your warehouse. If you will see that we have assigned the automatically wave assignment to this delivery, and wave will release to create a warehouse task as per availability of the product, expiry date, and the nearest destination of the bin. So wave has automatically assigned to our outbound delivery, and warehouse task not yet created. It is running through a batch job. Now meanwhile I will create a transport shipment in ERP system, which will assign the delivery and also distribute to the EWM system. I will pack this. As soon as I will save it, this shipment created, and it should also available in your EWM system. I can see that. So now this has been created in EWM system and assign the same reference delivery or ERP to in your EWM system. So that's how distribution works. So once you have a shipment, a warehouse supervisor can see whether the task has been created or not. You can again go in the monitor transaction. and find out whether warehouse task has been created or not. It's not yet created. So meanwhile, what he can do, he can assign this transportation unit to a door where, so he will log in this. So what he will do, he will first arrive this truck at the checkpoint. Once it arrived at the checkpoint, only then he can dock it at door, which is available the free door. You can find out from here what door is available. So now this has been created, and we can create plus save it. Now we can again go into the TU transaction and check whether it has been docked at door or not. Yeah. So door D001 has been assigned to this. So now Dory's truck has been docked at the door. So warehouse operator has to pick this back and load it into the truck. So if I will again go into the monitor transaction, so this 216 WT has been automatically created for the picking, and if you will see the warehouse order, it is automatically assigned to the outbound queue. What warehouse supervisor will do, he will assign any of the resource for the outbound queue so that he can go there and directly, whenever operator will log in on the RF, he will needs to complete his task which is assigned by the warehouse supervisor. He will go into the system guided, and the system guided selection, see this 212 warehouse order is nothing but for your current delivery. He will pack this into new HU, create here new HU. This HU has been created. Go for the next. We will scan this bins, source bin, source HU, product, quantity, and the destination HU. You will scan the destination bin with destination HU. So he scanned the correct HU now. He has to be for the picking. Now if you see the monitor transaction, you have to be see the picking task should be confirmed. We can see that pick task has been confirmed. So we have to load this into the truck. Now I will go into this outbound queue loading by transportation unit 1352. You can find out the list of the HU. As soon as you click on the yes, your transportation unit should be the loaded. Means your pallet is now on your truck. We can see the status. You'll see the status. We can see that loading has been completed. Loading is started, and What next I have to do? I have to goods issue from my warehouse. So for the goods issue, I will go into the delivery. We can see the delivery status also. Picking, packing, and everything has been completed. Loading. I will goods issue from here. We can see that status has been changed. Now what I will do? I have to depart this truck from my warehouse. So first I have to move it to the checkpoint back. So I will free the door. First I have to free my door. Move it to the checkpoint. This has been departed. Now my TU has been completed. We can again see our status. This PGI has been done. It has been departed from the checkpoint at this point. Now I have to see my delivery, what happened in ECC. We can log in ECC and see my delivery. This was delivery. Goods movements had been created. Now I can see whether material document has been created or not. We can see it has also has been completed. 601 material documents created. Now what happened with our shipment? We can see the shipment. So all the activity has been completed in the shipment with the same time frame what we had. Our shipment has been end. So this is the complete cycle for the outbound, which is automated from ECC to EWM. Thank you very much. Bye.